Welcome, dear children. In previous chapter, we have learned about the family history of Shivaji Maharaj, isn't it? Now, in this chapter, that is our chapter number 4th, Shivaji's childhood. Children, from this chapter, from here onwards, we are going to learn and study about Shivaji Maharaj. So, what did I say? The name of the chapter is Shivaji's childhood. Children, take out your EVS2 textbook, page number 12, and be attentive. I will explain in between while reading the lesson. So, all of you are ready? Shall we begin now? Yes. Birth of Shivaji. Those were very unsettled days. Unsettled days means not stable, fixed, very uncertain. कुछ भी पक्का नहीं. Shahjahan. Who was Shahjahan? Shahjahan was the Mughal emperor. Shahjahan from the north had dispatched a big army. Dispatch means send, bhejna. Had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Means Shahaji Raje. Who was Shahaji Raje? Shahaji Raje was Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, father. Shahaji Raje's Jagir means Shahaji Raje's property was burned down. Means Jala Diya. Was burned down by whom? Adil Shah of Bijapur. Why? Because Shahaji Maharaj has left Adil Shah and joined Nizam Shah. Isn't it? You remember we have learned this in the earlier chapter? Yes. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea and was constantly on the run. So Shahaji Raje's condition was he is in very much problematic condition. He he doesn't know what to do, where to go, and he was constantly on the run. Jizabai was pregnant, and the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. Jizabai, who was Jizabai? Shahaji Raje's wife. Jizabai was pregnant, and only the one question which worried Shahaji Raje was where to keep Jizabai safe and secure, he should keep her. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jizabai there. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had deep cliffs on four sides. Cliffs means chattan, पत्थरों की चट्टान on all the four sides. Strong fortification and massive doors. Strong fortification means a very big wall, a huge wall which can resist and which used to build to strengthen the place of attack, means to make the which can resist the attack and save the fort. And massive doors means very large and heavy doors, very huge doors. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijayaraj, a relative of the Bhosles. He means who? Vijayaraj. He agreed to give protection to Jizabai. So, Shahaji Raje left her there. To whom Shahaji Raje left? Shahaji Raje left Jizabai there in protection with in Shivneri fort under the supervision of Vijayaraj, who was the relative of Bhosles. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against the Mughals. March means walked. He walked away in a military manner, means along with his troop, along with his army, soldiers. To march against means to attack against the Mughals. And then the golden day dawned. Dawn means और फिर वो सुनहरा दिन आया, उगा. On the auspicious day, auspicious means शुभ, favorable, अच्छा, शुभ मुहूर्त. On the auspicious day of Falgun Vaidya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era, that is on 19th February 1630, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana, Jizabai gave birth to a son. All the residents of the fort were overjoyed, means they were very happy. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji. In our culture, what we used to name the newborn baby, the newborn child, on the 12th day. Okay, with a small ceremony. Here also, and what was the name given to that child? Shivaji. Why Shivaji? Because as the child was born on Fort Shivnari. You can see here the picture of Fort Shivnari. That's why the name has been given as Shivaji. Then Shivaji's childhood. You can see in the picture, the same pictures are given in your textbook also. Veer Mata Jizabai are telling stories of brave men. To whom? To Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition. I told you, unsettled means not stable, not fixed. Even so, even in that situation also, Jizabai did not neglect his education. Means neglect means ignore नहीं किया. उनका education उनके तरफ ध्यान दिया, education की तरफ ध्यान दिया. Every evening, she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Ram and Krishna, of Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, children, do you know all these names? Yes. On other occasions, she would recite. Recite means repeating aloud, bar bar sunna. She would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdev, Dhyaneshwar, or Eknath. Who are all these people? We have learned about them. Yes, they are the saints. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Exploits means बड़े लोगों के what do you say, great deeds, कारनामे. Shivaji used to like to listen to this about these brave men, about the stories about them. Shivaji felt on growing up he should also display valor like them. And while hearing the stories of these brave men from her mother, Shivaji also liked to be one of them when he will grow up. Jizabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons. Pious means religious, dharmic persons and saints that instilled in him. That instilled in him means that एक इच्छा पैदा हो गई शिवाजी महाराज के मन में डीपली, एक फर्म इच्छा, a respect and honor for all saints and great men. After hearing the stories from her mother, Shivaji Maharaj developed a great respect, great honor for all the saints and great men. Children, in this picture you can see Shivaji Maharaj were sitting with his friends. All these were Shivaji Maharaj's friends. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj had made no discrimination. कभी भी उन्होंने भेदभाव, अमीरी गरीबी में कभी भी भेदभाव नहीं किया. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. And Shivaji Maharaj used to visit his friends' home and used to have meal of onion and bhakri with great relish, यानी बहुत चाव से, बहुत आनंद से वो ये सब खाना खाते थे. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Mavlas, now who are Mavlas? Mavlas are the soldiers in Shivaji Maharaj's army. The soldiers in Shivaji Maharaj's army were used to called as Mavlas. Now the children of these Mavlas were like birds in the forest. Why it is called like this, birds in the forest? Because they can able to imitate, means अनुकरण, means imitate यानी follow, वैसे की वैसे वो सब birds की और कुकू, पैरेट या टाइगर की आवाज़ वैसे की वैसे निकालते थे. See, they would imitate the sound of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Their pastime was building small forts of earth, यानी मिट्टी, and making earthen elephants. Earthen means मिट्टी के खिलौने. Earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or a top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. Shivaji Maharaj used to play with these children. Okay? Have you understood, children? Up till now? Yes. You are going to revise this, and in the next period, we will continue further. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.